So as you can see, we are here in my wallet, and this is Google. Let's find Bitcoin live transaction. As you can see, often visit this website, and this is official blockchain explorer. So we just find a transaction from here. Okay, let's open it. We can find transaction from here. As you can see, there's a lot of transaction, but I don't know. Let's find another site from, because it's too fast for my eyesight. We can find from here. I don't know where it's clicked. It's more than 0.07 BTC, so we can't do that. Okay, we need to find under 0.07 BTC. That was higher amount. Okay, yeah, that's under 0.07 BTC. Okay, we can do this transaction, we can confirm this transaction in the wallet. Okay, so we just need a hash ID, and this is the wallet. It's a new blockchain wallet. Okay, and then you can go to inspect, and then click to cancel. Okay, and there's some warning, you need to read that. Sorry, you need this is the warning, you just need to read that. Okay, if you put someone code without knowing that code, that person maybe take your money. Okay, they may access your money, so make sure you make a new blockchain wallet and with the empty balance. Okay, so yeah, this is my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. After you read that, clear everything from here. Okay, and then paste script here, right click, select all, right click once again, copy your script, and then minimize it, and then paste your script over here. Press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We just need a hash ID. Okay, as you can see, and hash ID, paste, click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Click OK. Once again, click OK. Close everything from here, and just refresh balance to see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Okay, so let me show you today's date. It's Tuesday, 3 February 2026. Okay, I'm scrolling up and down because of watermark of the number watermark that's showing on the screen. Okay, and this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe for more related videos. It has 10k subs on YouTube. I own only this channel, another all channels are fake. Okay, and this is the transaction. It will maybe take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but let's see. Let's refresh it to see it. And BTC rate is so high, so it fluctuate up and down. As you can see, it's 100% confirmed, but yeah, BTC rate is fluctuate. As you know, BTC rate is so high and it fluctuate up and down, so it's refresh on every, it's change on every refresh, so don't be worried about that. Okay, as you can see, it's changed once again. Let's refresh from here. As you can see, okay, let's refresh from here once again to see. As you can see, it's changed here once again. So yeah, take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.